Right. Little share of this bad boy. Is it just not sending? Wait, am I bugging? That one's cool. Wait, why isn't... Wait. What? Oh, here we go. I was going to say, I was wondering why that wasn't sending to the tagger. What? But it's sent now. That's all good. Cool. Cool. Right. Click on this banger. W Philco, first one in here, baby. W Philco, baby. W Philco. Make sure, guys, if you haven't already, like the live up. Let's get this rolling, baby. Let's get this rolling. Evening Philco, evening Azuna, evening Clint, evening Chris, evening Geo, evening Lazy Queen. Fair play earlier, mate. Catching the exact bottom, using me as your liquidity. Oh, that was nice, mate. Yeah, I've still got that running to TP. To be fair, yeah, that was a really nice bottom. I did say though, Hammer, to just like believe and just leave it. You shouldn't have said break even. Should have just let it. How you doing, Joe? I'm doing good, Philco. How are you? How are you, Philco? How are you? Evening M4, evening Josh, evening M4. Waiting, ready for a daily open banger. Me too, M4. Evening Nadia, evening Sadie Lamb, evening Clint, evening Alex, evening Gustus, evening DB. Hope your birthday was good, DB. Evening Simon, evening Dazzler. Scared of 4,700 now after last night. Robski, 4,700. The TP's coming in, trust. But evening Robski, evening Big Rick, evening Joe, evening Sean, evening Stephen, evening Ian. You're the goat for the trade this morning, Jay. Love you. Love you too, Paya. Evening Pie, evening. Wouldn't mind if we don't have daily, but we hit 4,000. Gustus, I don't care. Honestly, if we don't get daily open, that is completely fine. But I want to see 4,700 either way. Like, if we hit daily open, then that rides to 4,700. That is cinema, you know. Evening Dave, evening Neil. Fab day, yeah, it was a good day, wasn't it? Evening Gaz, evening Josh, evening Issa, evening Jason. Shouldn't have closed that position I had at 4,615. Yeah. Is what it is, Gus, doesn't it? One of those things, like, you secure profit, which is good, but that's why I said, like, that's why I put a TP so far ahead, because we've seen the market, we've seen how, like, the conditions it can just carry, you know what I mean? And when it carries like that, like, there's nothing else really to talk about. Like, when I get in a trade, if I genuinely think it's the bottom, like I thought that was going to be, I was just going to wait for it to... I literally just wanted it to run to TP like that. So I was like, yeah, sound. So, yeah, that's the only reason I had my TP very far away, because of the conditions in the market. Good evening, Jay. How are you doing? I'm doing good, Gideon. Good evening. I'm perfect. Still holding half positions. Nice, Philco. Nice. Evening, Bridge. Cheers, mate. Good B-Day, thanks. Now I'm an older fart. DB, you're not an older fart, mate. But yeah, glad to hear that your birthday was good. Glad to hear that. As long as you chose Nando's over Pepe's, I wish you a good birthday. If you choose Pepe's over Nando's, you can just... Yeah, hell. 4,700 for the win. 100% Lazy Queen. If we tag 4,700, my TP, and then... so if we tag our TP and then come down for Daily Open, I wouldn't mind that at all. I think that'd be perfect. How are you? I'm good, Bridge. How are you? Hi, Jay. Thanks for today's trade. So good. W Mark. Good to see you. It was good. Good to see you cooking. Evening, Tyler. I'm hoping to see 6767. Me too, Big Rick. The double 67. Thanks to the trade today, I can now increase my risk pressure. Nice, Gideon. What's going, Lazy Queen, baby? Hey, yo. Whoa. No chance this gets tapped tonight. It took a while to shoot up on your entry today, don't you think? No backer, because we were like very. If you look at price action before our entry, right, it didn't really take like. It didn't take that long. I understand why you thought so, but if you could see here, right, for our moves up here, see how we had like this fake out here. So when I saw like this, these candles mope around our entry. The reason I didn't cancel it is because I genuinely believed like this was the fake out and our move was tagging this low and pushing. And as you can see, it was literally the perfect move. But yeah, this looked really nice. But yeah, I when I saw this staggering of price action, especially when we got down here, when you're sat like this at a low, right, and you genuinely think your trade's gonna go well, the telling thing is when you have your first low like this, and if we fail to take it with like 5 candles on the 1 minute. See how we had like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Even this candle here, the one that swept the lowest, still didn't sweep these lows. So that's when I knew. Once I saw this candle close bullish after pushing down like that, yeah, bro, I knew. I knew it looked good. W Bridge. Taco Bell, mate? Yeah, fair enough, DB. My missus loves Taco Bell as well. Got into a buy at 4658. Oh, nice. Very nice. Very nice. I'd set break even on that. Our entry is literally 4658.6. No, it's not. It's 4657. My bad. Hey Yaz. Jay, you're the goat, but sorry to poop on the party, but have you done the quick guide to... Oh my god, Stephen, I'm so sorry. Jesus. Right, one sec, Stephen. Let me put this on my calendar. Actually. 1 second. Do I have something to write on? Right. I'll put this on my calendar. It's just easier. Make a 1, 2, 1, 3, 5 guide. Right, Stephen, it's on my notes. I won't forget this time. That's actually my bad. Not even set a TP on both my trades, 4605 and 4636. Let's go to 5,000. You know what, Sadlam, I hear it. 1k payout and another funded got for extra money. Nice, Robski. W Rosso, man. My G. Today I make good profit from your level 4607 buy and close 4632. Good pips achieved. Thanks, Jay. All good, Bridge. All good. Evening, Jay. Evening, everyone. Back at work today. I missed so much. Yeah, Ems, that's so long. That's so long, actually. But yeah. Look, we cooking anyway. Don't worry about it, Ems. We're cooking. How you pulling the daily open now? Chris, I'm pulling it literally the same. We just moved the entry to the low now and stop at the 1.2 fib. Banger trade Jade up. W John, man. Jay, I realised that I'm so deep in drawdown that I need to make 3.7k to pass my website. Yeah, that's fine, Gideon. You'll be sound, mate. So it's one instead of 886. Let's see how this thing actually works. So literally, Gustus, I'll show you. Let me scroll back. I'll show you how daily open works now, alright? Here we go. Oh, we missed. That one missed. Right. This is how it works now, Gustus, alright? Here we go. Right. Impulse move, right? Here's our impulse move. So we're looking for a buy. Off the low to the high like this. Cool. Then we have our entry at the 1 fib. Stop at the 1.2 like this. And there you go. So yeah, there you go. That's 11.37R. And then obviously stop to break even at 1R. So yeah, that was lovely. 11.37R that was. So yeah, that's literally the daily open now. So entry's now at the, what's it called? The 1 fib, not the 886. That's all it is. Do we have anything marked up for daily open? Yeah, we do, Gideon. I've got this marked up now. But currently just... Thing is, though, if we don't get tagged in daily open and it goes up, it doesn't matter. Like, we're still winning. Do you know what I mean? But right now, let's actually put daily open buy limit. Let's actually set this up for when it comes down, if it does. Something like this. Right. Right, if this pushes down, then I'll stop filling stuff in. But right now, we're pretty much near the high. Evening, Nikos. Evening. What is the level you have marked out there at the minute? Savage, my entry will be 4657 if we come down, but I think we're going to make a new high. So yeah. Got in at 46388. Nice, Sean. I'm going to sell here at 467. What do you think? Josh, I wouldn't sell this market. Not anymore. We're very bullish on gold, so I wouldn't touch sales with a 10-foot pole, mate. Good man, W. Stephen. Took my 50k account from 2,500 drawdown to 1,200 profit in 5 days. So please, thanks to everyone for the encouragement. Go on, Chris. W. Chris, man. I passed my 2-step funded today. Hang on. Let me just zoom out so we can just watch this. I passed my 2-step funded today. Also, so ready to get a payout next month on that as well. W. Philco, man. Good to see you, bro. Good to see you. Love that. Love that. Hi all. Is this gold? Yeah, it's DJ. Is the VIP still in Discord, mate, or has it moved to the hub? Big Rick, I don't... VIP is not a thing anymore. Hey, Joe, how are you? Are we selling? No, cool dude. We're looking for a buy. I'm good, though. How are you, cool dude? We're looking for buys on gold. 100% looking for buys. Hey, what are we looking for? Buys or sells? We're looking for buys, Inc. Buys on gold. Good evening, Jay. I'm TP at 864686. Fair enough, Tinson. Let's hope that the price isn't going to tease us with 86 now and actually come for the entry. Wouldn't be surprised if it takes a lap. Gustus, fair enough. You know, fair enough. Still have a runner from earlier. Should I just leave that running even if it hits 4,700? Ian, I'm taking the copier out at 4,700. That is going to be the TP on the copier, no matter what. But on my live, I will be extending the what's it called? I'll be extending it, yeah. Yeah, I feel like this whole trading thing is more like you have to conquer yourself and your fears if you want to be good at 100% Gideon. Honestly, it's all psychological. Trading is all psychological. It is. I'm already on buy at 4639. Yeah, we're in a buy from 4606.81. Cool dude. So yeah. We are healthy in buys. It will, what's it called? We're healthy in buys. Do you ever trade your stop in it? No, Sean, I don't. If you're entering at 1, will it stay the same even if new highs are taken? Bazza, the entry will stay the same, yeah, but the stop loss will move lower. So yeah, the best thing about this is the stop loss stays the same. No, the entry stays the same, the stop loss changes. Is there a copier trade going now? Nothing in mine at all today. My copier is running, yeah. It's currently in I think it's up 50 quid profit right now. TP's 70 quid. What is this trade already at? Let's have a look. Grab this. So right now our buy is running 5.4R. So yeah, our buy right now that we took in New York is running 5.36R. Gustus. And as I said on the what's it called? As I said on the Telegram. I was waiting for I thought the retest would be in a good position, and literally look at that retest as well. Insane. I think it might go down though. Joe, I hope not. I hope we just fly, mate. To be honest. Right, let's just wait for this bad boy to come down. Have a little retest of our move up, and then enter that bad boy, and we just chilling then. Hopefully it runs nice as well. Have you entered the trade? Football motivation. We did enter this trade down here. Yeah, we did. I signaled this trade as well. Yeah, so we entered this this buy down here. Gold's just climbing the bad boy. Yeah, real Sadlam. Yeah, it's pumping. Dub. How do we get How do we get on Thunder Bias? Jason, if you go on Discord and open up a sport ticket, you can get on it there. Or message what's called ColezTrades support on Telegram. Oh, the good old days from Jay are coming back. Exactly. We have to remember these days when we hit the lows to get us through. Everybody's buzzing. Exactly, man. Exactly. But that's the thing. Like, going through a drawdown period is shit. But once you get through it, like we pretty much have, in my opinion. I think we have. Then yeah, it's chill. So nice. So chill. So you close partials, J, or hold from B? Back I hold what's it called? I take partials throughout, but I'm still holding a healthy part of this position. I'm still holding over half on my live. Missed that 606, but got in at Brands at 613. Nice. What's the entry now, Jay? Inc. We're currently not for our entry of this bar will be 4657 if it comes down. Stop loss and TP will change depending on how far we come down. Away the TP. That's all. Barry Potter. Okay. No, sorry, BC Pal. I was on about with the daily open strat hitting Jay, saying it will go down now. Oh, right. Yeah, fair enough. Is that the buy at 4606 stopped at? Is that the buy at stopped at 4610? What do you mean? What do you mean, M? What do you mean, M's? Great trader, real trader. W Rahan, man. Is Thunder Bias free for members? Matas, I'm not sure. I'm not sure, Matas. You know what? I hear it. Is that the buy at 46 stopped at 4610? Oh, Ems, if it's stopped for you, then that's actually long because I'm still in it on the copier. I think I took like, so I used I think it was a 0.0. I think it was a 0.02 on my account, so I took half off at like off the impulse move, just to be safe, and then stop at the low, and then obviously it's flying now. Can you check BTC? There's a pullback. Yes, I can, Gustus. Oh, I need to like zoom out here for this. Oh my god, our Bitcoin markup. Look at that. Oh, that's annoying. Look at this. So whiskers away. Damn. Yeah, I have this marked up. We've got some like downward channel coming this way now. Something like this, maybe. And then tag in and then push out, maybe. So yeah, that looks quite nice actually. We'll see. Might break out of this anyway. But yeah, that does look nice. You got a buy entry in mind. Can't see it as under chat. Yeah, DJ, I do. My entry will be here. One sec. Let me quickly whip out the 1 minute here. So my entry's gonna be this. My entry will be 4657. So that is the entry. But It's if we get it or not. Are you expecting any sort of pullback so I can get a buy in? I'm currently not in any trade. Yeah, it does. This if our daily open comes in, then I'll be looking at entering that. So why then? Why mine stop then? Not enough. Yeah, Ems, maybe I'm trying to think. Like, were you already in a? Oh my God, wait, this makes sense. Never mind. You would have already been in Ems. How many people? How many copiers are you on? Because if you're on like Brandon's as well, and he took the buy at 4613 on the copier, or 4615 or whatever, you would have took that as well as mine. So then that would have cancelled out your leverage. Oh, you and Greg. Then I have no idea. I have no idea why it's not. Why it didn't go on your account. Maybe you didn't have enough. I'm trying to think. Like, could you not have enough equity or something? I'm not sure. But yeah, I don't know. Like I've took partials. I've still got the trade run on the copier, 100%. Like that shit's flying now. Annoying. I don't know why that hasn't. Why it's closed yours. Jay, could you please mark up other things while you're live? Yes, Gideon. Let me know what you want me to mark up. Just everyone send me pairs that you want me to mark up. I'll mark them up while we wait for this daily open. Let me quickly set an alert on this bad boy. Let's do 4-6. We'll do 4661. Add the alert, so we can just do whatever. Mine closed at 4. That's so weird. Look, I'll show you. Hang on. So look, this is my copier account. Look, that's my copier account. I don't know if you can see that, but yeah, like it's still running fine. Weird. I don't know why you've been closed out there. Could you see? That's so weird. I need to see if you can see that properly, actually. Different spreads, mate. Nah, but how? Let me see it. So I'm watching back the live now to see if you could see like the entry and stuff running. Because if you can, then I genuinely... Yeah, there you go, look. You can see it. Yeah, you can see it a little bit on there. I don't know why... How much does that... Wait. That's madness. That's so weird. Why is it... Maybe it's because you got like not enough equity in the account. I have no idea. Like that doesn't make any sense to me. Mine closed then, different spreads. It's closed early. I think it's because they have less balance and only had 0.1. Oh, there you go. Oh, there you go. But yeah, that's my. I'm weird. Maybe it's because 2K in mine and it's closed. That's so weird, bro. I don't know why then. Because I used... If you... Wait, it depends. It depends on your risk as well. If you're mirroring my risk, then it should be fine. But if you're lower than my risk, it shouldn't be. You should... Like, you'll get closed out early. It's either the size of the account, the risk you're using, or some other shit. Because what... I don't understand. Like you've seen on my account, like it's still going. The copy is still run. What's it called? You'll have to ask Adam. Maybe because you're in another buy or something. Maybe because was Greg in a trade? I don't know. But yeah, weird one. Very weird, very weird. But at least you got profit. You know what I mean? A little bit of profit. I might just have to not take partials then on the copier trades. Greg wasn't. Okay. Maybe I just can't take partials on it then. Maybe I just gotta hold that bitch to like... I don't know. Just found your YouTube channel recently and it's been helpful. What's the logic for setting the buy limit out at this time? Where's your What's your analysis that price will come down here? Thanks. Jacob Timothy, the reason it comes down, it doesn't always come down, but the reason it does come down sometimes is because Asia normally, so if you backtest Asia, right, you'll see it either, it will always travel in one direction. However, right, sometimes you'll see Asia pulls in that direction, retraces down somewhere, and then pushes off again. And that is literally all I did. I analysed the, I wanted to find a trade that is like, you could get in every night, and it's not like you're waiting for everything to line up. You just, if it comes down there, you take it. So this is why, like, this was my thought process behind the daily open strat. There's got to be like another way to take a trade within a session that opens up and it fake outs to come back in. So I started analysing the open of Asia, and this is where, when I backtested this, you'll see we get the first impulse move like this, and sometimes we'll fly in that direction for the whole day, the whole Asia session, right? Or sometimes you fly, retrace, and take the high like that. So that's the whole point of the daily open strat. Basically, Asia shows us where it wants to go. I wait for about half an hour. The reason I wait half an hour is because sometimes you'll see little fake outs like this. So sometimes Asia will go like this. It will go like up a little bit and then drop through, and that's the impulse move. Sometimes it fakes out the impulse move, but about half an hour you get the impulse move you're looking for. Here we go. This is exactly the impulse move I'm talking about. This impulse move up, and then we look for the low now. So it used to be the 886, but I've changed it recently. But you look for the low as entry, and then you have your stop loss at the 1.2 fib, and that's basically the reason behind it. Asia's got, like, we enter Asia at the lowest volume. When we get tagged in, the highest volume comes in, and then it pushes in the direction we want. That's why. Oh, it's mirroring. Okay. Greg wasn't. Opened with 0.03, 0.2 partials at 464. Yeah, Tinson, that's right. That's right, Tinson. That's definitely right. Maybe just place 2 times 0.1 trade. Yeah, maybe, actually. Hi, can you show us the entry? What do you mean, wisdom? Is the entry not on screen? Oh, it is. Right. For now, this will be the limit, now that we've got a nice candle to the downside. 4653.7. TP's at 4673.7. Cool. There you go. Hopefully this what's it called? Hopefully this comes down now. So yeah, this daily open, obviously we'll have TP1 at that high. TP2 will be the same as we've got for our other buy, 4,700, baby. Lovely. Let me find what 1R is before I even bother with this. There you go. Cool. Right, there's B sub. Right, that is our if it does come down and tag our alert, which I'll have about 4662.5. If it comes to there, I'm gonna signal it. But that's our daily open for now. That is our daily open limit for now. So for the first time I checked it since day one, is just leaving it there. We'll see where. Yeah, exactly, Big Rick. Man, for vertical stream, maybe chart should be top and your cam should be bottom. Nah, I like it like this. You can see my face. When you open a YouTube live, yeah, you want to see someone's face. You don't want to see like you don't want to see my face covered by the chat. You know what I mean? You want to see me. You want to see me talking. That's why I like being at the top. I have 2k risking 2% on Jay's copy. W Tinson. There you go. Thanks, mate. All good, Jacob. 1k risking 1% as recommended. So I'll ask Adam. Yeah, need to pass view at 100%. DB 100%. But yeah, I'll keep my what's it called? Can't see chart with chat moving. Aksha, just literally you can hide the chat. You can hide the chat. There's a thing on the live that you can click like no chat. and then just what's it called? Make it reappear when you want to talk or when you want to type something. It's pretty cool actually. W YouTube for that. But right, let's actually we've got daily open marked up. We can't even pull anything on this because it's pretty much our high in it. Annoying. Okay. Right, let's go mark up something else. We marking up orange juice. Oh, it's so hot. Orange juice is on like Donkey Kong, mate. Right, let's bin that off. Let's look at UJ. How close did UJ come? Very close. Now we're at this downward channel. Fair enough. Let's bin that off. Bin you off. Let's have a look at this then. So UJ, push you up to there. What's there? Nah, literally nothing. Bit of a shit show really on UJ. Oh. AUD USD level hit a little. Oh, did it? Nice. Oh wait, that was on my other chart. What was it? What was it? What was it, Big Rick? Where was AUDs? Was it this? No way it was this low. Wait. Oh my god, I think it was. Hang on. It was here, wasn't it? Or was it pulled off this low? I'm trying to think where I pulled this from. Oh my god, it was like that, wasn't it? Probably. Was it like that? Was it this area? Or where was it? I'm trying to think where it would have been. AUD USD / high chat math / get chat out of the way. Big Rick. I can't remember where that was, to be honest. Oh no, not the chart doing this again. Okay. We batted it out of the way. Oh, EU missed our buy. It's a sell at the recent high. Oh, okay, cool. Let's have a look. Sell at the recent high. Yeah, fair. It's actually doing. I mean, it's actually doing alright now. Look at that push down. Lovely. Oh, I know what I did for this. Did that, didn't I? Probably something like that. Not sure. But yeah. Crazy. I forget, because I've changed charts as well. There's not a lot of things I've marked up, which is just annoying. So you think it's a sell buy on, what's ER? Oh, do you mean EU? EU, definitely. We're looking at buys here. Whoa. I'm marking up EU now. We missed a buy, which was annoying, but is what it is. We'll pull this, and this looks nice anyway. So, gold. Yeah, I'll hit 1 second. So buy for, yeah. I'm looking at a buy. I'd look at a buy. Yeah, 100%. 100%. I'd look at a buy on EU. I'm already in a sell. Yeah, fairs. But yeah, that sell's like coming. It'll come down to our buy. My buy level is like far away. But yeah, like in terms of levels, I'll be looking at a buy on EU. That looks nice. Something like that. the high like this. That's going to be the point of control of this as well now. No, but almost very low, which is nice. Oh wait, is it far away? Yeah, look, I'll show you the coordinates, one sec. Yeah, these are the chords on that. So yeah, these are the chords on EU. Like, look how far this bison is. This bison's quite far away. Oh wait, far away. Yeah. So there's the chords. What time frames? This is the 30-minute. It's the 30-minute layout. Jay, what are you marking about? This is EU. This is EU, Gideon. There you go. I'll put EU by there so you can see it. So if you want to like take a screenshot of it or something, you can have that there. Yeah, this is a really nice level. So that's nice. Where do you enter? Thomason, I normally enter off an 886 fib. Do you think UJ will hit 160 or 159? Probably 160. Probably. DB, probably 160. How is VMC for a buy right now on gold? Let me have a look. Oh, we're coming down now. This looks so good. Yes. That's all I have to say for this. Yes. Let's quickly recheck fib placement, and then once we pull this, it'll look good. Yeah, cool. Happy with that. Right, this looks well nice. Let's quickly. Cool. I can actually delete this alert now because I don't really need that shit anymore. Delete that because we'll just watch it now. Then I'll just delete off my chart. Okay, so it just doesn't want to delete. Fair enough. Right, this is our buy limit on gold. What time frames on gold? I'm on 1 minute right now. Azuna, please position the coordinates at the top. Cannot see anything. Oh, Ink, you can hide the chat. Little pullback. Yeah, the pullback looks alright. I want to see it. Obviously, hopefully, it comes further down to our entry. I don't know if I've asked you this before, but what would you use for your ATRSL? Let's say you're using it to trade your strat. Gideon, I'd use 3 times multiplier on ATR. So ATR multiplier would be 3. If we don't get our entry on gold, this would be a good place to buy if it looks good. It looks shit. Yeah, it looks awful to buy, I'll be honest. Fumanchu looks horrendous to buy. I would not buy right now. Fuck that. Fuck that for a laugh. Because wait. Where do you enter? Thomason, I enter off an 886 fib originally, like normally on everything. But yeah. Because I want to trade like with you. Are you on buy? Yeah, I am. Yeah. If it doesn't get all the way down, would it be worth entering it? Dazzler, I wouldn't look at entering this. Well, I'm already in a buy though, aren't I? So I wouldn't look at entering unless it comes down to what's it called? I wouldn't look until it comes down to my entry. Is that because blue wave is below 0 on VMC? Nah, Dazzler, it's just because like look at money flow. The 1 minute looks shit. Green money flow. We want red money flow to enter buys. Green on 3 minute and green on the 5 minute. They all look shit. Normally, if like the 1 minute looks alright, you're probably best off like you're alright to take a buy. But when it looks shit on all time frames, you might as well just like not even bother. Okay, thanks. But wouldn't 3 times make the SL bigger? Gideon, I'll show you my ATR. I'll show you my ATR with 3 times multiplier on it. Look, this is 3 times multiplier, Gideon. Look where price is right now. So for a buy, right, ATR is saying we should have our stop loss here, like this. It's not really that wide, to be fair, if you think about it. It's so entry's 4667 and the stop loss is 4663. No, 4664. Yeah. So it's not that big at all, in my opinion. I don't think the SL will be big. It depends what time frame you trade on as well, obviously, but yeah. I don't think it'll be big. Nothing wrong with big stop anyway. There's nothing wrong with big stop anyway, chat. Bro, I'm holding a buy from 43, aiming 4,700. Nice. Pardon me, but nice fares. Is that because blue? No, Daz, just money flow shit. And we've got like, if you look on the 1 minute on Fu Manchu, right, we've got no. So bottom layer, we've got no momentum, right? We've got a VR divergence on the 1 minute, which means not that much. 3 minute, no VR divergence or anything. 5 minute, no VR divergence or anything. So yeah, just all time frames look shit. And money flows green. I don't know if I said that, but money flows green as well. It's basically just shite. Your markups on Open has kept me afloat the last 3-4 weeks, as XAU been challenging for me to say the least. Longest losing streak since started trading, but still in the game. This time. Nice, Big Rick, nice. Hi Jay, don't you think it reached previous resistance at current price? Yeah. Yeah, musical, but I just think it comes down. I just want it to come down. But yeah, you could say like this is like what resistance could turn to support, right? Like this area. If you look at this area on price, we've already got previous highs here, right? So yeah, I do see what you mean. We do have like that support resistance area. I need to get better reading VMC then. Yeah, Dazzler. All it is takes time, bro. Evening, Sabir. Jay, used your daily strand a separate account for a few months and used it to buy my first car in Japan and treated the wife. W Rosso, man. W Rosso, bro. Please let it hit daily open, then fly to 4,700. I left early in the New York trade. No. I hope it's our daily open now and flies for you, Gideon. Let's see. Tell BTC. What am I telling BTC, Saba? Let's actually quickly mark up GU while we're Oh my god, GU came so close as well. What a piss take. Should look at a buy, innit? Why not? Something like this. Cool. How'd Jammer 30 do? Oh, Jammer 40 still got to come down. Wait, that's actually class there. Oh. Yeah, this buy zone on Jammer 40 is nice. Or DAX, whatever you want to call it. Yeah, we've got a really nice zone on DAX. That's still coming down. Cool. Come on, trading view. There you go. Nas, what did we do on Nas? Still waiting for Nas to do its thing. Fair enough. It's doing niche really anyway. What levels do we have up here? Give me 31 actually, why not? I was like, fuck all up here, which is annoying. Oh, this is nice actually. Right, guys, if our zones are red, we're looking for, what's it called? If our zones are red, we're looking for sells, and green, we're looking for buys. Alright? Just so you guys know. So we're looking for a sell here, so we got this sell up. Right, this is a GP plus VWAP close plus previous daily open plus previous daily like this. Quickly grab the coordinates as well for you lot. 29 like this, like this. Cool. So what was that? VWAP close previous daily? Yeah, everything was right. Let's see if we can get something else in here then. There's the 786 there. 0.786 plus 886 will go in here, 100%. There you go. Plus 0.886. Cool. Entry, yeah. Something like this. And then stop will be about here probably. Yeah, something like that. That's nice. There you go. That's a nice little level on NAS there. We've also got a sell higher up as well, which is really nice. Let me quickly grab this and put this across. NAS looks good. We've got two lovely zones on NAS. Now let's commentary review, man. Let's go on daily open. Look at this. Oh, here she comes. She's coming. Very nice. Right, let's signal this bad boy then. Four, 673.7. SL is 4653.7, 0.7, and then entry is 4657. Cool. All right, let me put this in the copy now. So entry is 4657. Solace is 4653.7. TP is 4700 like this. Yeah, that'll do. Cool. Happy days. Right. Right, chat. Everything is set. The signal is sent. Everything is set. Let's go. Whoa, I missed so many things. Please let it hit daily open then fly. Oh yeah, I already saw that. Was always so knackered to stay up for Asia when in UK, but low-key you kind of make your day's gains and not worry about London and New York when you get used to it. It's messy, but the trades that 100% Ross, I agree. 1,000,000%. Do you always come live every day, or you just feel like coming today? Thomason, I go live every day. Every day I go live, New York and Asia session. So yeah, Thomas J comes every day. Okay, DB. Jay, I'm getting a strong urge to risk 500 tomorrow on trades. I'm missing out on huge profits and I'll probably be stuck in drawdown with the way I'm going. But help me survive the beginning of the month with you, so I don't know. Gideon, always risk the set risk amount. Never ever increase your risk, never ever decrease your risk. Just have your set risk amount and do that. Because I'm telling you, the one time you risk mega money will be the time you lose, and the one time you risk lower money, you'll win. And either way, it will both just piss you off. So just have the same risk. That'll be my what's it called? That'll be my advice. Buy limit approaching, yeah, is backer. Dub. Which pair are you working on? Thomason, this is gold. Coming, yeah, I know, Bridge. London market doesn't even exist to me anymore. So real. Let's see how's the old daily open. Let's see how's the old daily open. How the old daily open does. Yeah. Wait, should we mark up? We'll mark up the old daily open as well and see what that does. Let's have the old daily open marked up as well, because the old daily open, it's nice to look back as well. Nice to look back and watch. So 1R would be here. Wow, 1R is far away. 1R is very far away when you look at it like this. 1R's there, bro. Let's pull this all the way down here. No one cares about that. Right, I'm marking up the old daily open as well, just to watch it. Obviously not to take, but just to watch. But this will be funny. If this... Right, it hasn't even reacted off anything yet. Chill out, boys. Whoa. Are you on Telegram? Thomason, if you go to my YouTube description, right, and click more info, what's it called? I have a link there where you can go to my personal assistant and she can onboard you into the group, and that has Telegram, Discord, free courses. You have access to four traders signals every day. We give like plans for the days. We do live streams. We do what's it called? There's a copier where all our trades go on it. Yeah, man. Basically, click the link, go to my personal assistant, she'll onboard you, and yeah, you're flying, bro. If you want to get in the group, that's what to do, man. I slept to 3-4 by the time I've slept, gone gym and 8. It's New York anyway. Agreed, Alex. I agree. By the way, I'm at minus $520 on the Euro USD with 0.05 lot size. Don't know if I should double down the sell to try and make profit when it comes down. I'm Leo. I would say never add to losing positions. That's my advice. I never add to losing positions, and you never should. What price would the old daily open be? It would be 4658.94. Gaz. It literally happened today, but I made it all back though. Nice, Gideon. This guy was so right. Your analysis on point. W, Jacob. Jacob, this is why, right? This is why I backtest for like 15 years, right? Because it just makes sense. Like, when you backtest over like a year, like it could just be like luck. When you backtest over 15, you just see it, bro. It just happens every time. You're like, oh yeah. I know this. Basically, I know this could either go well. I know it's going to come down. It's either going to react and go up, or just go straight back down and go through. So I know price will eventually drop down. Yeah. It also felt so emotional about losing bigger when risking more, which led to eventually. Oh, Tyler, real. Don't mark the old daily open. It's going to work. Nah, Augustus, we got to mark it up. Just watch. Watch it hit the old daily open and go flying. Oh god. If you use funded, you take 1 hour on daily open, right? Yeah, Tinton. If I'm using a what's it called? If I'm using instant accounts, I take 1 hour and that's it. Instant funded, what's it called? Instant funded, you take 1 hour at everything, because that's if they've got a consistency rule, which most do. So you take 1 hour every day. I literally used to do the way I got a what's it called? A 12. I think it was like 13k payout. Let me check. One second, let me whip up the certificates on here. Right. I kind of don't want to. I want to like show it back like this. Maybe if you can see it like that. Let's see if you can see that. But yeah, you'll see the payout there. The way I got 13,000 is I literally for 7 days just targeted. I had a what's it called? I I had I think it was 200k instant funded and just targeted 1 hour every day, risked 1%, and that's how you just, yeah, easy money. 1 hour's not that far, so yeah. Yes, Jay, you and Brandon paid for my wedding anniversary dinner. Shout out to you both, bro. Still got runners. Gonna hold them till 6,000. W Chigsy, man. And congratulations on the wedding anniversary, bro. Love that. Love that. I'll probably win this trade because my prop firm account is about to blow. Thomason, I hope so too. With $40 in my account right now, how much do you think I should put as the lot size for the gold trade? Liao, I don't suggest lot sizes. I'll just say have a have a strict risk, right? And let's be real, your strict risk is going to be like 0.01 lots, like the lowest it can be. If it's on $40, 0.01 is the best. Just don't overstep 0.01 until like you build your account up. 0.01 lots, no more. Yeah, Gus, that's real. You're still on the leaderboard even though you're banned. Am I actually Big Rick? Nah, surely not. Surely not. Hang on. Yes. No, I'm blocked. Yeah, I am blocked. Chat, you saw me almost log in then. I'm blocked. How can I see the leaderboards? Wait, chat, how can you still see the leaderboards? Can you? How do you see that? One sec, let me Evercrest leaderboard. Oh, it's not. I don't think I can see it because I'm. Yeah, I don't think I can see it. Long day. What a long day. I'm blocked too, locked on my mate's account. Like, wait, so Big Rick, I'm still on the leaderboard even though I've been blocked. That's funny as fuck. That's such a mate. That's aura. W Bridge, Dub J to Brandon for showing him love for his 1 hour before that disgusting wick took him out. Yeah, mate, W Brandon, man. This is the thing. Like when I entered my trade and it was a really nice entry, I was like, bro, I want us to get the break even because that's better for me. And everyone who's in Brandon's trade gets break even. Like it's a dub, man. Old Dilly Open got reactions so good. No, yeah, I did see this. However, Tinson, you have seen listen, Tinson, listen. You have seen Price do this every time. Normally, we do tag and get a nice reaction and fall straight through like this. That's why we've got a new daily open strat now. However, it could. I mean, look, who knows? It could go now. It could go, but if this falls down, tags us in, right? And if this falls down, tags us in, and runs. Oh god, that'll be so funny. It's like the old daily open versus the new one. But yeah, there's 1 hour here on this white line, so we'll see. What time is German 40 open? I'm actually not sure. I'm not sure when DAX opens, to be honest, mine. That wick was awful, literally seconds after setting B. Yeah, that's awful, Lazy Queen. Why did you get banned? Dave, I got banned because people in the group were on Evercrest. They took the same trades as me, so they actually blamed me for being a signaler, and that they're like, oh, there's what's it called? There's like multiple people taking the same entry, same stop loss, and same TPs as you. Like, what's this happening? And I was like, oh, I'm an educator in a group, and they were like, no, and just banned me pretty much. So I basically got banned for being too good. I got banned for being the dub. How's the day of trap been update? Yeah, as Mookit. Red money flow in VMC. Yeah, on 1 minute. What about 3 minute? Oh, 3 minute as well. Decent. What about 5 minute? 5 minute, no. Yeah, but 1 minute looks alright now, to be fair. Pushing up a little bit on the 1 minute. Oh. But yeah, Tintin, if this goes to stop loss on the daily open now, the old daily open, bro's gonna be like, oh, okay. I blew my account to £32, now back up to 115, receiving very slowly on 0.01, no more than 2%. Nice, DJ, that's perfect, bro, that's perfect. I'll get you a screenshot. They're proudly still promoting you as proof that they pay out. Of course they. Listen, Big Rick. Of course they are, because this is what fundeds do, right? They pay you out for one. They pay you out and then they fuck you over, and that's what all they'll do. That's all they'll do every time. This is why live account's the goat. That is why live account is the goat, mate. But yeah, fuck EverCrest. Fuck EverCrest, bro. Fuck them. L funded. Fuck all the fundeds. I'm not gonna lie. Fuck every funded man. Fuck them. But yeah, them using my payout as proof they still pay out, but they don't know that. Do you know what I mean? Like I've got an Instagram post with me like on the leaderboard and saying top 3 in the world, but then banned for being too good, and they what's it called? They liked the post. Dickheads. Jay, is VMC looking good for a buy? Yeah, 1 minute looks alright. Has the buy limit trade? No, it hasn't, Leo. No, it hasn't. Our entry's down here, Leo. Our entry's all the way down here. On this white line. Ignore this box. Ignore this box. This box is just my old daily open that I'm looking at. Actually, there's no point actually having that. More like you took too much money from them. Yeah, Dave. I'll tell you what was weird. I got my 13k payout, or however much that was. So I got that, and then I requested a 20k payout, and then they banned me. So yeah. A bit suspicious how they banned me once I requested another 20k payout. A bit suspicious. What's the difference between the new and old daily open? New daily open, your entry's at the low or the high. Old daily open, it was at the 8-6. That's what the difference was. Wait, hang on. What's the old and new? Oh yeah, but at least they pay. Well, they pay once and then they just fuck you over. Fuck all of them fundeds. Yeah, 100%, John. Fuck the fundeds. Thank you, my bad. I thought I was bugging because mine didn't trade a lot. No, Leo. Yeah, don't worry. We're down here. That's why I took the buy zone off, just to make it easier, so you understand. Is there still prop firms like Nova? This video is basically based on futures entry, Jay. What do you mean? Wait, what? What do you mean, James? Wait, is this entry the same as futures, is it? Check GC1. Yeah, it is. Wait, that's weird. I don't like that. I hate how like futures and CFDs mirror each other. I don't like how it's a bit weird. Creeps me out, bro. Have you got any props running now, Jay? Or are you done with all of? I'm done with all of them, DB. Vantage live account goat. That's all I'll say. Fixify gives you an instant, yeah, it does, and they're actually they give you cheap instants as well, which is good. And what's it called? And FXFi are just the dub. If you're gonna buy a funded, buy an FXFi one. Never had anyone denied a payout that I know of. You mentioned that you know someone who got banned on FTMO. How did they get banned? If it was because of a payout, how many payouts had they received? Yeah, M4, they got banned because they had consistent payouts, and yeah, got to the point where like what they were doing is they were making like 10% every month. I think they did it for about 3 months and they got banned because they just obviously didn't want to pay out 10%, in my opinion. But yeah, obviously, what's it called? FTMO could have saw something, but in my opinion, I don't think there's anything to see. I think they just cooked, and then they didn't want to pay them out. They got me banned from the Prop Firm Match Telly group too. Did they? Big Rick, bro. Also, I wanted to ask why Little always did more than one TP. Do they always want to ask why people do always do more than TP1? Do they enter more? Leo, basically, for example, my TP1 here right, is like the TP. I'll take half. Like you can have a position. Say you've got like a 1 lot position, right? You can take half of it off. So take 0.5 lots off and secure that profit, and then you leave the rest running. So that's why there's 2 TPs. Are there future prop firms? Yeah, there is, Gideon. Lucid are good for that. Do you want to get my pops? Do you want to get my thing? No? Okay. FX5's paid me out 6 times. Falcon did also, and testing, getting leverage, and now we'll let you know. Nice, Rosso, nice. But yeah, FX5 good, man. FX5 good. How much are they? But how much are they talking about? M4. It was like, I don't know. It was like something. It was like the what's it called? They were like, it was like a 200k account, I think. 200k account, and they got 10% 3 times in a row. So what, 60k? Remove profit split and stuff. So yeah, I think it got to about there, and then yeah, that Vantage through Meta 5, like that Vantage through MT5. Yeah, it is DJX. Yeah, it is. My friend was on a rock funded. He used to request a payout every 2 weeks with 300, 400 euros. They banned him. That's mental. That's crazy, bro. They banned him for that. It's mental, by the way. What the fuck is that? The fuck is rock funded? I know, agreed. What is that? So it's basically useless for me with 0.01 lot size. Yeah, pretty much. You can't really like with 0.01 lot size, you can't really like take partials. I'd just hold to TP1 if I had 0.01. I had the FX5 slippage tower. It is yeah. FX5 is slippage is terrible on open, but apart from that, it's pretty good. We're about to gain. Yeah, we are, Thomason. Lucid is legit, multiple payouts already, and they are quick. They also have a live account transition opportunity. Yeah, James, I've seen that. Lucid very good. Lucid are very good. W Lucid. To be fair, 6K is enough of a payout for his life. Exactly, yeah, exactly. But he what's it called? He liked that his what's it called? His fundeds could like he had no risk, right? He wasn't risking any of his own money, so that's why he traded better on them. But then when they what's it called? When they banned him, it was more of like a, so you banned me because of what? Because I'm a good trader. That's why. And then it knocked his confidence, and like he started trading on live and started being stupid. But he's on straight and narrow now. He's good now. It just annoyed him that he got banned, and it would annoy me. Like, do you know what I mean? Getting banned on a fund is mental. Like whenever Chris banned me, I was fuming because I went from 13k profit to about 18k. They banned me off 18k and then worked my accounts. So everything I paid for, right? All the accounts I paid for, bearing in mind I paid for quite a few. I think I paid for 2, and yeah, so I put in like $1,000, $2,000 in, and got obviously 13k out of it. So dub, right? Dub return on investment. But even that is not right, is it? Buy limit hit, yeah. Locking guys tapped. I'm in. Yeah, nice. Time to fly. Hopefully we have a push up now, but we'll see. Who is this? Evening Prisha. Who is this? Does he trade on a new funded with a different prop? Los Blancos. He just trades live account, and he's my mate from back home. You really done with that? Yeah, John, I am. I can't be bothered. Did you funded pay? Yeah, Rosso, you funded pay. I'm not lying. You funded paid me out a lot of money. You funded did pay me out a lot of money. Like, a lot of money, bro. A lot of money. But yeah, you funded did pay me out a lot of money, bro. I will not slate them. Yes, they have fucked up some of the payout shit. I agree. I'm not denying that. But they have paid me out a lot of money. We're creating like a little view out of divergence on the 3-minute. That looks nice. To be fair, 5-minute view up's coming up, which is nice. 1 minute. 1 minute looks alright. I mean, we're getting momentum now, which is good. So yeah, we'll have to see. We'll have to see, but it looks nice. Right now we're in a nice spot with this. But we'll see. See what happens. We need a big push with a candle now, ideally. If we get a big push out, then we're cooking. But yeah, VMC looks nice, Matt. VMC does look nice. Like, look, I'll go through VMC right now. As you can see here, we're in red money flow. Look, V up line pushing massively up. We did have a V up divergence here as we were coming down, creating momentum as we go. So yeah, 1 minute looks like it's gearing, which is nice. 3 minute here. See how we got like a V up divergence here now, and we've also got money flow curving up, which is nice. Very good, very good, very good. And then 5 minute, we're just like 5 minute. You're not really going to get much off the daily open. This is why I don't really use VWAP. No, don't really use VWAP, don't really use VMC. But as you can see here, VWAP is just rocketing now on the 5 minute, so that's good. So yeah, it's good to see, Very good to see, man. Very nice, very nice. Very nice to see indeed. But we'll see what happens. Oh. Sorry, I just had to was going to answer someone on WhatsApp. Why did you stop with them? I was thinking about it again. Rosso, you know what? You funded were right. It was just when I saw like the issues where people were taking like what's it called, a couple of weeks to get what's it called, to get paid out. So yeah, I've been that off after that. It's like hell no. But yeah, if they get their shit back together, I'll happily go back with them. They're the one prop firm that did really well for me. So yeah. But look, they've still got a long time. They've got a far place to go, to be honest, in my opinion. Before I reinvest, I'll be so real. They've got a long way to go before I even touch them again. But yeah, they definitely have to like payouts on time, fucking sort their leverage out. It's like 1 to 2 on gold now. Awful leverage, stinking. Boom time. I hope so. Let's go. W Farrick. Hopefully 1 a.m. doesn't hit SL. Yeah, hopefully we'll see though. Oh, Daily Open SL, exactly, Tinson. Bye bye, Daily Open. But we'll have to see what happens here. What's up? All right. Got a headache. Long day. Jay, what other way do you think I can use Craig Sniper? Gideon, I don't use Craig Sniper V8, so I actually don't know now. I don't know how it works. yeah, I don't know how it works, so I'm not sure. I'm not sure, to be honest, how you could use it. It depends what your strategy is as well. No idea. But yeah, JE Funded still paid everyone out, and it was mainly people who traded like algo. Yeah, what's it called? Los Blancos. It is what it is, isn't it? That's the thing. It is what it is. They did pay me out every time. I never had an issue. I just stopped trading them when I saw people getting what's it called? What's the word? When I saw people like getting like mad delayed payouts, like 4 weeks. That just shouldn't be happening. Do you know what I mean? Like, just shouldn't. You shouldn't be trading on an account, right? What's it called? If you're trading on like a, what's the word? What was that? Yeah, maybe if you're trading on like a, what's it called, shitty account, yeah, but you shouldn't be waiting like four weeks for a payout, bro. You should be get. Some people rely on these payouts to feed families, G, and you're telling me that fucking, what's it called? You're telling me that someone's what's it called? Someone's taking 4 weeks. Like, you could imagine if you relied on YouFunded to pay your bills, yeah, and they're taking 4 weeks to pay, bro. You're in debt. That's mad, isn't it? Madness, absolute madness. That crazy stuff. The expected high on the indicator being there. You go. Yeah, Jason. If you use the what's it called? If you use the Craig indicator, it makes sense. Like, you talk Gideon. I don't know, bro. I have no idea. Do you want some? I knew you were looking at me for something. What are you doing? Huh? What is? No, go on. Go on, big boy. Go on, do say. What's annoying? Nah, go on. Continue. Yeah, some of Craig's indicators levels are very strong. Yeah, exactly. I don't really. That's the thing. Because I don't use it now, I can't really like advise on it. Hi Jay, what are you cooking today? Master Chris, we're currently looking at Daily Open. Yeah, we'll see what happens, man. Who you talking to, lol? The wall? No, Poppy's over. Poppy's over Los Blancos. You know, the one you said I should have bought a taxi for, to do my Asia live. She just put her middle finger up for the live chat. Long day. But yeah, Los Blancos. That's who I'm talking to. She's currently getting active. I don't know what she's doing. She's doing some random makeup shit. But yeah, she's getting active. She's getting active doing the what's it called? Getting active on the. Yeah, he always talks to wolves. But right, Jason, come on. I don't talk to wolves, chat. I don't talk to wolves. I promise. Does Poppy trade? No, DB, she doesn't. You know what, actually? She used to. But then she was just cursed. She was just cursed on the, what's it called? She was cursed on the thingy. On a trade. Every trade she'd take just went the opposite way, which is kind of crazy. So yeah, she was cursed, so she stopped. Your trade's been cooking since Poppy came over. Dub Poppy. W Poppy, man. She's nodding right now. W Poppy in the chat. L Poppy, we missed a few Asia lives because of her. Who said that? Los Blancos again. What what'd you have to say to that? Middle finger, crazy. Crazy Los Blancos. Oh, he said never mind, they said just joking. W Poppy. So you've just swore at them for nothing.
I didn't.
Ruse. I'm about to lose my tread. Your tread? What? You know what? This is. Can we see Poppy's middle finger? Go on. Put your middle finger on the live. Go on. Just put it like that. Wait, hang on. Come to the end. Come to the end. Like around here. Right, they can see like this. So put it like up there. Near this board. Or just hang on. Just do it. Right. Put your hand out. One sec. Yeah, they can see your hand now. Wait, turn it. Turn it like this. There you go. There you go, DB. W Poppy. Yeah, you're very rude, Poppy. Ooh. You and Los Blancos can have a scrap. Whoa! Drop the F-bomb. Crazy. That's rude as fuck, Pops. Hi, sir. How are you? I'm good, Lamaraj. Lam Raju. Is that how you say it? Sorry if I butchered the name. But yeah, I'm good. I'm going to call you Lam. I'm good, Lam. How are you? Bro, it's getting heated now. I know Los Blancos. Getting aggy now, isn't it? Evening, John. Lazy Queen's laughing. Them nails look dangerous. That's good. That's good. Big dub. W, John. Wow, sharp nails. Don't want to get in a fight with Poppy. Mate, she's a little pussy. Don't worry about that. You are. Don't lie. Mate, if you scrapped her, she'd be like, no, don't, not my nails. No, not my extensions. No, please. Don't destroy my makeup. 4147, another zone if this fails. Yeah, definitely, Rosso. Definitely. If this fails, we'll mark up gold, because then we have a... Actually, we can mark it up now. Why am I even waiting? I don't care. Why am I even waiting? This is actually a nice top in form now. Just someone tell me if we're at stop loss, because I won't be looking. But yeah, 4640 definitely looks like a nice area. I agree. Because then there's an 8... Oh my god, wait. 886 with the... Holy 886 with the... What's it called? With the 0.5. I need to delete this trend line, to be honest, to get that on my face. Here we go. There you go. Look at that. Oh, 40 looks nice, you know. 40 looks decent. The hairstyle, yeah, long day. To be fair, if you look at the last push was this one. What's it called? This push here, like the, if we weren't gonna take higher, this was gonna be it. Like this push here, and then we just that wick just killed us, bro. This wick killed us to push down further. Oh well, it's what it is. This could probably go up here, to be fair, but look, we got well closer to something, but it's what it is. We might even go to, what's it called? Might even go to 1R now, but what it is, what it is, bro. I bet it now goes up. Probably is what it is. But let's mark up gold and then call it a night, cause yeah. I mean, 30 minis like this. Right? Can this fucking alert go off my chart? Damn, I did. Right. Let's mark this bad boy up. So 3-1 looks nice. Not gonna lie. 3-1 looks very nice. Let's so there like this. This actually looks kind of nice, actually. Nah, I prefer this, though. This area is nice. What's this? A previous weekly high or some shit? Previous weekly. Oh, okay. Right, we've got like a nice little buy on gold here, to be fair. Hello. Where you going? Okay. Cool. Right. Okay. It's almost the point of control, to be fair. But yeah. Right, chat. What was I gonna say? We got this buy zone. Jay, you were right, Laura. Increase risk from 15 to 50 and it hit us. I'll be seeing 50. They see what I mean? What are the settings in your fib? These are my settings here. Are you going upstairs? Can you get me some oranges? Why? Oh, that's alright, I'll do it. Don't worry. No, don't worry. Good night, big dog. W Mookit. I'm still in SSL 51. Yeah, fair enough. What are the these are my fib settings here. What's it called? These are my settings here, Jacob. Gold already said no. August says no. Wow, she can't even be bothered to keep someone. Yeah, it's what it is. Lost Bankers. It's what it is. But anyway, peeps, I'll see you all. What's it called? That is me done on the Asia Live. As you've seen, Daily Open went to shit, but it's what it is. We move on. It's updated. It's going to be better. We already hit a winner on it. That was 11R. So, look, it doesn't matter to me. Do you know what I mean? Don't matter to me. But, look, appreciate you all joining, as always. That buy zone on gold looks lovely. If we come down there, hopefully we do, because then we can actually, like, see a bit of, like, a nice pullback to get back in buys on this. But, yeah. Appreciate you all joining. I'll see you all in a bit. And good night, all right? Yeah, I will signal it, Gideon, if it comes down. But yeah. Anyway, who was in it? In a bit Jacob, in a bit Kevin, in a bit Liao, in a bit Alex, in a bit Lost Blankers, in a bit Laser Queen, in a bit Plague. Appreciate the lives and your time, brother. Take care, Alex. Take care, Gideon. Big Rick. Ink. Please share the other buy zone. It's here. There's the buy zone there. In a bit Ink, in a bit John, in a bit DB, in a bit Gaz, in a bit Sean, in a bit Simon, in a bit Joe, in a bit another John, in a bit DJX, in a bit everyone, and peace.